Hey guys, I'm back with another video and another clonable project. So this project is called Copy Current URL project, and let me show you what it does. So basically, if you click on copy link, it would copy the current URL of that page. The use case of this is, let's say you add this button to a blog post page at the bottom. So the user can easily just copy the URL of the current page without going to the address bar, and it will be a better user experience for them. And after copying it, they can easily share it anywhere. So there are two ways to use it. Let me show you how. The first is copy this, first clone this project and copy this button, this copy LB link block, copy this on your, let's say, blog post page, and then come back to this project, go to settings and copy this whole code from before body tag and paste it under before body tag on your project, and then it would start working. Second way, I'm going to show you how it is executed and how you can customize it on your own project without copying any of the element, and style it however the way that you want. Basically, the code is triggered based on this ID, the copy button. It copies the URL, and if you see this on the staging site, you will see this text getting changed, and it is targeted to this ID, copy status ID. So if you go to the settings and scroll down in the code and see the last line, this is where the text is for the copy. You can just change it to whatever you want, and it would get changed to the text that you want. So in your project, you can just on any button, you can just give this ID and it would work, and give this text block this ID, and the text for that specific block would change. So yeah, this is how you can use this project, and if you like it, just share it with your friends. And yeah, thanks.